This video is instructions how to install the Kleggin BMW lights. Step 1. First, we will need to remove the door panel. In order to remove the door panel, you will need to open the airbag cap and then unscrew the screw behind the cap. Use the Allen wrench in order to remove the rest of the 4 screws. Next, you will need to pop the door panel open. Separate the bottom 4 plastics and then the 2 on the side. Gently pull the inner door panel upward and pull the door panel away from the door. Step 2. Disconnect the door opener. Next, disconnect the tweeter connector, the speaker cable, and finally, the side mirror control. In order to remove the side mirror control, you will need to pop the control switch off the door manual. Then disconnect it by pulling the cable off the switch. Step 3. Unscrew the screw securing the rubber piece on the side of the door. Then use the Allen wrench to unscrew the screw, securing the door lock mechanism. Then pull the door lock mechanism out. Step 4. Tie the Kleggin LED keyhole cover to an end of the coat hanger. Then direct the cable through the side of the door. Then secure the Kleggin LED keyhole cover back to the door. Step 5. Remove the rubber cable protector connecting the door and the car by unscrewing the screw on the top. Then pull the rubber piece up and out. Finally, pull the other end out. Remove the lower foot wall panel by unscrewing the 5 securing screws. Pull the panel towards the driver's seat. Take off the foot wall light by pressing it off the foot wall panel. Continue using the coat hanger to direct the cable through through the door and through the rubber cable protector. After directing the coat hanger through the rubber cable protector, continue using the coat hanger to direct the cable through the footwall. Remember to take your time and pull the cable in section by section. Also remember to cut off the top tab of the plastic piece inside the rubber cable protector so the cable can sit nicely on top, as shown. Step 6. Connect the Kleggin cable to the footwall light. Don't hesitate to pull the black and red wire apart to connect both ends of the metal. Then replace the light bulb back into the footwall light and make sure the Kleggin cable is aligned with the original footwall light cable. Then close the secure lid. After the cable is connected, place the footwall light back into the footwall panel. Remember to put the panel back and then screw back all the screws. Step 7. To install the passenger side Kleggin LED door handle light, first take off the glove compartment box. Unscrew all the screws securing the glove compartment box. Pull the glove compartment box towards the passenger seat. Repeat steps 1 to 5 for the passenger side and have the Kleggin cable directed to the passenger side footwall. Step 8. Repeat step 6 to connect the Kleggin cable into the footwall light. Next, replace the glove compartment box and secure all the screws back in place. Finally, test out your LED lights. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Kleggin project.